So today I want to share with you what I do at the end of a month because I use basically a kit per month. So you can see I just took everything out of my planner and I've made some little piles, and I'm going to go through and show you how I store things at the end of the month. So I have the sticky notes, and they just go over here in this little bin. So I have so far, January through July for the Cocoa Daisy sticky notes, and then any of the paper clips go in this little guy, and then these are all the charms and clips, and they go into another little caddy there. And obviously at the end of 2018 these will be full, and I'll go through and decide what I want to keep at the end of the year. But I like having them all handy because sometimes they kind of have similar color schemes, so I could use these in different months. And then these are not Cocoa Daisy items, but I know I want to use them again, so I'm just going to move those out into the side. And this is the bottom drawer of my craft dresser, so I'm going to put the leftover paper in this stack. And I have a pile of notepads and a pile of the leftover Project Life cards. So I'll add those. And then over here in this basket on my planner bookshelf, I have this basket, and I put my completed Dories in there. So I'm gonna put my July one in here. And I like having these out so people, when they come visit, they can look through our picture albums and memory books. And then I had some leftover daily pages because I didn't really use all of them for July, and this is like probably the worst system ever, but I just have a pile of leftover daily inserts. I have these leftover just little tags and sequins and scrapbooking letters, which could be used in other months as well. So in the top drawer of my dresser, I have just this little caddy of general scrapbooking supplies that could be used for different months, so I'm gonna put those in there. And then this month came with a pouch, so I'm going to put the stuff in there to kind of protect it. Otherwise, I would just put the extras back in the packaging, the clear plastic bag. So I have all my leftover die cuts in here for the month, and any extra cards and stuff, vellum that I took out of my planner from the kit will go in here. And then my today or page markers, as well as my divider sets. I'll put those in the bag, and then the bag will go, planner bag will go back in the packaging. The last things that I have left over are my stickers. I use this binder for all my Cocoa Daisy stickers, and I use these envelopes to store them by month. This is like stickers from 2017. And then the sticker subscription started in May, so I have May, June, July, and August, and that's the sticker sub. And then at the end of the month, any extra stickers that I have, like these for July, will obviously go in the July kit. And that's how I store my Cocoa Daisy stickers, and I like to have them this way because, again, some of the color schemes kind of play off of each other, so I can use, say, June stickers maybe in the September kit because they still work. And then this is the last thing. I have everything in the bag, so this is January, February, March, April, May, June, and I just added my July bag, and this is just a shelf in my craft closet.